All right, I'll go along with the prosecutor. I'll sentence you to 12 months on probation. The obvious condition is no more criminal offenses. So for 12 months, walk the straight and narrow. I'm not going to order community service. I'm going to order 7 days on the work program. We recently reinstated our work program, counsel. Mr. Taylor's the guy that you're going to see about that. So when you're seeing him, tell him Oakley said, talk to you about a job. Go ahead.
Your Honor, my name is Randy Goulet. He's president of court standing to my right. Judge, please state your name for the record.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the time and date set for a probable cause conference. In this matter, I've been able to reach a negotiable settlement with the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office, by which the felony will be dismissed. My client will plead to an added charge of carrying, I think, failure to obtain a permit. Is that correct?
Obtaining a license or obtaining a pistol without a license, 750.232A.
He's going to tender that plea today. We are seeking an immediate sentence. I know that the prosecutor's office lists certain requirements of the reduction.
Well, let's talk about that. I don't like misdemeanor pleas that have requirements of the court. I like recommendations of the court. And I think I've had that conversation with Mr. Muhammad before, haven't I?
Yes, you have.
All right.
What is the code?
750.232A. Go ahead.
I didn't know objection to you adding whatever you want to it.
Well, it's not that I'm going to add. I'm going to just ignore some of what he's got on here.
Oh, I'm okay with that too.
Well, I know you are. Mr. Muhammad, not on the camera.
Let me see if I can throw him in here.
He was in there something.
Yeah, he's in and out. Well, let's see what we can do. So, Mr. Goulet. Mr. Goulet, have you discussed your options and your rights with counsel?
He's in here. Yes.
All right. Mr. Muhammad.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. On Mr. Goulet's file, just to clarify, the paperwork I've got with a sentence agreement, you understand I'm taking those as recommendations.
I understand, Judge.
Okay, that just want to clarify. Thank you. Go back to work. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So you understand your rights and your options. You understand the possible penalty for this added charge, this reduction? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Counsel, would you voir dire to get me the facts I need? September 17 is the incident date I'm looking at.
Mr. Goulet, the date that the judge just read into the record, were you in a vehicle? Yes. Did you have a weapon? Yes. That was your weapon, correct? Yes, it was. Were you in the city of Romulus? Yes. Were you in the state of Michigan? Yes. Did you have an encounter with the police? I did. Did the police then find that weapon? They did. Yes. And you did not have any sort of permit or any sort of legal ability to possess that weapon, is that correct? Yes. Your Honor, does that fulfill your the factual basis as far as the court's concerned? I'm satisfied with it.
You did not have a license to purchase that pistol, correct? Okay, I'm satisfied. So what should I know about Mr. Goulet?
Your Honor, Mr. Goulet is in school. He is obviously standing before you. He has no criminal history. He was fully open and honest with the police.
Good.
When he was asked about reasons for having the weapon. His little brother was being harassed. I don't know if it was by gang members or people in his neighborhood. He felt like he needed protection. And this is, I'm taking this right from the police report.
Right.
From the police that he purchased the gun. From a guy, he described the guy he purchased it from. You remember the exact day and the exact amount of money, $300 that he worked hard to earn and purchase the gun. Obviously, there was legal ways for him to go about trying to purchase the gun. He also part of the reason why the police were able to search his vehicle when they pulled him over was that he was driving on a learner's permit, albeit he didn't have an adult in the car. He had other kids that are friends of his and he went to school with in the car. And that was the reason why they were able to obviously place him under search the vehicle.
But they didn't write him for that.
Right?
They didn't write him for driving without a license. Okay.
And that was the basis of the stop, I think, was speeding.
Yep.
And they realized that he didn't have a full license. And as the court knows, you can carry other applications for him.
Yep.
Probably because they're charging him with a felony.
Local, but
Oh.
maybe charge them state and tickets haven't come through.
Okay, all right. Heather just let me know that they're in the process of doing the civil infractions.
Okay.
All right.
Would they
All right.
be handled by the state? Did he handle local?
They'll be handled by the state.
Oh, I wish I could.
They were, they would have got here in
Yeah.
time to put them together, but obviously we didn't.
Great. So.
Yeah.
Standing before you, I know that, his father is a very nice man, hardworking man, and, trying to raise his family here. My client, as I indicated, doesn't have any criminal history.
Right.
No assault history, and he's enrolled, what school are you putting, like, I'm probably in IAT.
Sure. Where'd you go to high school?
I graduated from UC Lady High School this year, this May.
What was your GPA?
About a 2.5 push, 2.5 push.
Probably should have been closer.
College classes kind of lowered them down. I had a college class I was doing the road while in high school with a little hard.
Okay. Was the GPA as high as it could have been, or did you slack off a little bit? Okay. And are you working too?
Yeah,
Where at?
and little seizures, Michigan now. I do a little side stuff too.
How many hours a week are you getting at Little Caesars?
I get 15 push,
All right. What are they paying you?
maybe 13 an hour.
Oh, man. Before you leave this building, I want you to go downstairs and ask to speak to Mr. Taylor. All right? You're living on Gulfview? That's where you live? He just told me today, he's got a notice from FedEx for a box shuffler in the warehouse, $17.50 an hour. So Mr. Taylor's got, he like gathers all the information from anybody in the location or in our area that's hiring people, like entry level jobs. You can do better than 15 hours a week at $13 an hour. All right.
You might smell that right there, so it wouldn't be.
Yeah, you probably don't even want to eat pizza anymore. All right. All right, so let's get back to sentencing. Is there anything you want me to know before I set the terms of sentence?
Again, I think standing before you, I think I've laid out, as much as I know about Mr. Goulet for the court. Obviously, this was something that there's a confluence of bad decisions.
Big mistake. And I learned from this for sure.
Listen to me. I applaud you for wanting to take care of family. I do. But you know, seriously, that kind of stupidity is what keeps us in business. I mean, I wish I had $1 for every 20-year-old kid I've seen in front of me that headed for prison because he had good intentions, just did not use his brain. Man, you're so lucky. This is all you're here with. You probably already had that conversation with him.
No, we did.
Yeah.
And his dad did.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this probably scared the hell out of Dad. Yeah.
This is he actually told me he was sitting outside. I kept sending him into your courtroom when I went to speak to the prosecutor. I came back out. I'm like, you're not sitting in the courtroom. And he's told me that he's never actually been inside a courtroom. So he wanted to come in with me.
Right.
Wasn't sure what was going to happen.
This is a scary fact scenario. That's for sure.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else? Okay. All right. I'll go along with the prosecutor. I'll sentence you to 12 months on probation. The obvious condition is no more criminal offenses. So for 12 months, walk the straight and narrow. I'm not going to order community service. I'm going to order 7 days on the work program. We recently reinstated our work program, counsel. Mr. Taylor's the guy that you're going to see about that. So when you're seeing him, tell him Oakley said, talk to you about a job, right? Forfeit the pistol as per the agreement with the prosecutor's office.
I was going to ask, I don't want to step on toes.
You can push your luck.
I was going to ask about 771.
I'll be happy to do that, but I'm not going to do it without prosecutor signing off on it.
I asked him about it, and obviously you gave my client an outstanding deal.
Yep.
I understand that, so I'll back off.
Okay. All right. So 12-month probation, stay out of trouble, 7 days on the court work program, forfeit the pistol, court costs $600.
I'll have time to pay that,
You
Judge.
can work all that out downstairs. No, I don't even want to do, no, I'll do non-reporting probation.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to suggest something to you. Mr. Taylor could be a real good guy to put in your phone. So you might want to stop in periodically and see Mr. Taylor and see what's going on with the jobs in the area and stuff like that. I'm not going to make you report to probation. It might be a good idea for you to voluntarily stay in touch with him. All right?
Thanks, Adam.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Always a pleasure.
Climate in here is much nicer than last time I was here.
I don't remember.
I mean, it was freezing.
Oh, that was probably her fault.
I think I came, I think it was winter, and I was, you're, Mr. Freeman, why are you wearing a trench coat still? Can't handle the weather.
Well, you know, I was wearing this in my office the other day because I just couldn't get things regulated.
Very good.
All right. Have a good day, gentlemen.